What up, what up, what up, what up? My name is Keith. I print and design for Raptor Design and Print. And today I got a couple installs, so I figured I'd record it. Someone messaged me, don't know who that is, but I'll check it in a minute. I am installing two windows for a barbershop in Flower Bluff here in Corpus Christi, Texas. It's called the 1-8 Barbershop. And then I have a trailer decal of a menu, which is right behind me, that I gotta go install, but I'm gonna let it sit there and dry and gas out as much as it can before I laminate it and install it. So figured might as well record it. So here it is, the 1-8 Barbershop, and those are the two windows. We're doing this one and that one. There it is, barber pole, and all the information for the shop. So yeah, shout out to the 1-8 Barbershop. Y'all check them out. Good work. And yeah, on to the next project. All right, so I'm back at the shop. I have the decal for the trailer ready to go. It's laminated and cut. Gonna load it up, knock that out, and that should be it for this little video. It is hard to record by yourself. Yesterday we did a trailer, which I'm gonna put right here, right? And I wanted to record it. I even had a friend come by and be like, "You should be time-lapsing this." So I can't focus on the job I'm doing while I'm recording. It's a little difficult. On these little jobs it's easy, but when it comes to a full trailer wrap, I definitely need a tripod, extra batteries, etc., because it takes a while. But anyway, I'm gonna head out to Annabelle, knock this out, and yeah, show y'all what it looks like. So let's go. Alright, there it is. Menu next to the window. And then we have the Sacred Sips logo here. Menu here so it's easy to see. Order what you want. Cash App tag on the bottom so you can scan it, pay for your drink. Alright, y'all. Once again, my name is Keith. I print and design for Raptor Design and Print. Shout out to Sacred Sips. Shout out to the 1-8 Barbershop in Flower Bluff. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Appreciate you.